Good morning. And today we're going to go over science and we're going to go over our bell ringer. So, for question one, a blank is where two or more tectonic plates meet and show movement. It is a fault. Don't forget that when two tectonic plates meet together, that is a fault. It's where they join. Question two. The geological process by which material is added to a landform is called deposition. Now, there's a few different forms of deposition. Don't forget, deltas are formed by deposition. Deposition is the dropping out of sand or soil or any other material to the surface of Earth, which is a constructive force. What surface feature are created by a process that extends over a long period of time? Choose two correct answers. Now, when you're looking at all these choices, we got to figure out which ones takes a long time to create. So we know mountains take a really long time to create. They're not built overnight. Now, sand dunes can change every single day. A pond can be created by large amounts of rain. That can be created over a few weeks or a few months. Landslides can happen immediately. Earthquakes happen immediately. Canyons take millions of years to develop. Question 4. So it says the picture shows two steep valleys and two rivers that join together and become one larger river in a wider valley. A student claims that both valleys have formed by the same process over a long period of time. Which argument best explains why the student's claim is correct or incorrect? So first you need to determine, is this correct or is it not correct? Well, we know that valleys are created and canyons are created by rushing water. So the student's claim is correct. The evidence in the picture shows that both valleys were formed by destructive forces of weathering and erosion because of flowing water. The flowing water breaks down and carries the small pieces downstream. So it is B. Question 5. Oh, it looks like I've actually put the same one there. Let's see. All right. Question 6. Which of the following is not a cause of erosion? Water, sunlight, wind, or ice? Well, we know water, wind, and ice can definitely break down the surface of Earth. The only one that doesn't really break down the surface of Earth is sunlight. So sunlight does not cause erosion. And we have to remember what erosion is. Erosion is the movement of Earth. Question 7. The geological process by which material is added to a landform is called deposition. We just talked about this, I believe, on question 1 or 2. Deposition is when sand, soil, or any other sediment is added to the surface of Earth. That is a constructive force. So it wouldn't be sediment, erosion, weathering, calving, chemical weathering. It's when all those are destructive forces, where deposition is definitely a constructive force. It's adding to the surface of Earth. Thank you, and if you have any questions, let me know.